Morning. Kind of a quiet morning. I like that, you know. Not too many disturbances. Okay, going back to do a quick little roll job for where I installed the gate. Gonna pick up the machine, head on out. Just, you know, rolling, putting it down, making it flat, making it nice. All right, so yeah, I'll have you guys tag along. All right, we're here to pick up the machine. Got to chalk the wheels. Let's get it. So we're here, cooling off, untying, off to roll. All right. All right, let's get this job started. All right, ladies and gentlemen, here we are. Got base course nicely spread. Got the water pipes, got to watch out for, so I'll stay inboard a little bit. Yeah, so we're gonna do everything and make it nice. All right, let's do it. Well, it's going pretty good. Just got to make sure to go over it a couple times more in some of the tracks, but this will always be kind of susceptible to, you know, driving on later, so I'm going to close the gate here. But this definitely compacts it down nice. So, close the gate. All right, so let's get back to it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are flat and smooth. Yeah, and really dusty. So yeah, we got it done. You know, base course is always going to be soft. So, but yeah, still a lot better than it was. So we also did the road going down and that way, as you guys saw. But yeah, turned out really good. No problemos here. But yeah, now they get to finish the gate and the fencing, and it's gonna look oh so good. All right, so I'm gonna leave it here. You guys don't need to see the tow home. But yeah, I appreciate the viewing of the ground pounding video. So you guys have a good one. Please like, comment, subscribe. Appreciate it. All right. Thanks for watching. Aloha.